Alright, welcome back for Explain 3, simplifying radical expressions using properties of the nth root. So here we have our letter A, simplify the expression using properties of the nth root. So we have cube root 256, x to the third, y to the seventh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate each of these pieces into their own radical, their own cube root. So that would be 256 in one cube root, x to the third, and y to the seventh. Now this number part can be simplified, so in your calculator go ahead and work that out. Since cube root of something raised to the third power, essentially those cancel out to become 1. I'm left with x. Now if I write this out as a fraction, y7 on top, the outside number 3 on the bottom. And if you haven't calculated this out, go ahead and do so now. And that would be about 6.34 roughly. And then the last step, it does say to rewrite in radical form. So here that would be 6.34 times x, and then we can rewrite this as a radical. So here our bottom of our fraction denominator would go on the outside. This would go on the inside. Okay, let's try another one out, such as letter B, fourth root of 81 over x. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the fourth root of each term. So 81 will get its own fourth root, and x will get another. We will then simplify into its simplest exponent and or find the number value. So in your calculator, make sure you're finding out what is the fourth root of 81, which if you calculated that out, that would be about 3. Now for the denominators part, again, this is my outside, the radical, so I'll put that on the bottom. Since there's no exponent here, that's a 1, 1/4. And just as it says here, to simplify, we did that, we did this, and we rewrite in radical form. So 3 and 4x over 1. Some students ask, well, I mean, these kind of seem similar. The only difference is here I have a rational exponent, here I have a radical. It's in radical form. Either one's fine, but you do want to follow the directions that they ask. So if they do ask us to rewrite in radical form, do so. If they are okay with rational exponents, then that's fine too. Alright, just like it says here, it says do the problems in the packet, so stop here in your example packet and do some of the problems in your packet. And I'll see you for Explain 4.